Yeah, my people. Big up on yourself. New link here, new link is here, you know? Yeah, man. I say big up to the whole of the subscribers, them. You don't know the thing, viewers, you don't know. Like, comment, share, you don't know. Big up on yourself, you don't know. 196 going strong, 200 we say down. Big up on yourself, people, because new link I go up on the road again. You know me, I say, me never show you yet, people. Look at some, me never show you yet. I saw you stay, you know. You see it, and put on the indicator, yeah. Bumbuckler, watch that. One van that. A beer water in the road, they say, no people. The people ain't fix the road, they say, you see me? Go here. And then boy, they even take time to look at bumbuckler. Cha, fuck. And but the lie, me carry going to them water in the people. You see it, could they? Water, beer water in the road, star. Cha. Alright, my people. Me there, live. You see it? New Link production, man. Yeah, my people, and today we are going on the road, and you don't know. I give some respect right now, you know. And you see who me have to give respect right now. When me not see they really give a man the respect. To me, he man need to get more respect in the business. Big man thing. You see, Bounty Killer, big up yourself, Bounty Killer, anywhere there. You understand? Because if it wasn't for Bounty Killer, we could not have a Vybz Kartel, we could not have Mavado, Busy Signal, Baby Sham, Wayne Marshall, Idonia. Yo, put the hype. Yo, just check how much artist Killer boss. Honestly, and the man now stop boss artists. Yo, Bounty Killer, respect youth and big up yourself, my brother. You see me, I say, Miss Bounty, anywhere you're there, big up yourself. You get a million respect for a New Link production, Bounty Killer. Big up yourself, my general. Because, yo, Alkaline, yeah, big up Alkaline. But me, I say, General Bounty, big up yourself. If it wasn't for Bounty, we couldn't have Alkaline too. Because, you don't know, say, a cartel make Alkaline create, you know, realistic thing, you know, people. Me not tell a lie, I'm not afraid to talk that. Just like how Cartel could have come and say, when you're young, I used to watch Buju and them and you see him copy and gravitate. Why? Watch the people, I show them pussy hole at hand. You see that? They look a pussy hole just pull out right in front of me on the blood clot road, you know. And you show he never have blood clot license plate for the car. You see I do them in the people. The white people, them, they not no sense. Then just come in a place and I drive, watch him. You go pass me, you see how win I car people. So go pussy hole them. Cause I go over the next side of the road. When I drive, yeah, watch the people. I go up there on him, watch. I go up there on him. Watch it people. I go up on him. Bounty General, I soon come back to you. I go up and show the people what I want. I'm a woman man. Just start driving, watch the people, watch it. I show you. Yeah. Watch it. Watch them people, watch it. Watch it. You see them? Go there. You see it? Tourists them. They don't understand the road code of some people. Alright, yeah, my people. So, as I say, you see, the killer need to get more respect for real, man. Because Killer a real general, you understand? Killer a good boy. You get me, I say? Yo, I say Killer, they will keep a show. Like, no Killer birthday. Like, does a show, me say, yo, babe, all I artists say, yo, a treat for the king, Bounty Killer. Because when me check, you know, say, Bounty for big king of the dancehall. Alright, now when you have a king, you have a prince, you have much servant, you have much people work for the king. Alright, look at it now. Bounty create so much artists and Bounty still are doing things. And man 9 years. Big man thing. You know if you say Bounty deserve a big a crown. Me not ready to go past that case. I mean not call any name in that video. But me I say, you know if you say Bounty if you get a real crown, if you respect what you do to Killer. Honestly. Bounty a real youth, my people. A real general. See street the people. You run us a busy toucher. Watch your rag and nice to go really. You run us not so sit there today still. You know so busy today. Today Tuesday. The road kind of slope today, you know say I work there. I watch the people. You see late in the day we put on the indicator. You should put you a long time, you know, good. You have your drive when I watch you say, you know. Them people then drive full. Come like yo, I don't know ya man. Watch it. Watch your traffic people. Keep there. I lick me indicator people. You see like when I read you lick the indicator before. You understand? So man at the beginning can know what I go on. You understand? You wait. I run about this you know. You wait I run about, then you go. You understand? Because first come, first go up and you run about now. You see that wrangler the people look nice and so. See the people. Yeah. So I say the Killer. Respect for do more to the Killer. You understand? A New Link man production for the road trip. Alright, watch that people. You see them? You see them? Watch that. They know wait, you know people. The people just no wait. You see me I say people, you have to watch everything. Yeah. So me I say people, the Killer, Janua, a real man, cause yo, All me let us say, entertainers, we need to show more respect to the general. Bounty, Godfather, the Dan. You see me? More respect to him. Yeah. Yeah, people. I be killer. So me dep on the road trip and now I flew and chop home bad people. And my boy nearly coming up. Boy nearly licking at the car. You see me I say people. The boy nearly licking at the car. Watch out. Sit on the road there, people. See the road set up there. The road there and we are go through and a patrol. Patrol the place. I mean I see no immigration on the blood clot road today. Yesterday yo, Mr. People, remember showing in the video, be a blood clot immigration yesterday man. Yo, I'm here to tell some people when them immigration come they not play, you know. People are them a lack of people you fuck man, that's what they serious man. I know some about illegal people, you see me, but you don't know a thing go. Sometimes people want better and they have to go out there, you understand? You don't know them they have to take care of their family and you see it. So we have to respect illegal immigrants still. Respect to them, you understand? Respect to them. Because people have to go out there for what they want sometimes. I just saw what they did yesterday, no people. Me have show you outside, Sunny Foods, that place what they did yesterday, supermarket there. Big old one there. But me I go in our next supermarket today still, because I want to see what I go and not see things. People. Yeah, as youth, you have to smart as youth, yeah, man. Me I tell you. Enough man, me come and foreign people you see, I like when this the man just take it on the man there in front of me, right? That's what this now. You don't come and foreign people. You have to sit there. You have to be smart. You see it? No matter any day of foreign, you have to always think about Jamaica. Or even if you're not Jamaican, alright, say you come from another country people, right? If you're a fool, you say, man. Alright, say you come from another country, right? Like I'll say UK, or you go to our next country, right? You have to think smart. Always remember where you're born. Because yo, I just say you think there, you know. All if you're married, you still can get you back in your original country. I tell you that. So always, if you build a house, make sure you build one a foreign, build one a yard too. You get what I say? If you have an account of foreign, have one a yard too. Let me tell you this, always remember Jamaica. You hear? Never, if you are Jamaican, never forget where you come from, brother, when you go foreign. Because someone when you go foreign and sell out to no member yard. Now I tell you, so when you fall back on the brother, a problem. You get what I say? A problem when you fall back on my youth. So now after you remember Jamaica, never sell it out or any country, could have Trinidad, Bahamas, Guyana, or just like TCI. Remember where you're coming from, dog. You see me? You're a smart youth. Let me tell people that. Me a smart youth. You see me? I mean, I make nobody bring me down. You see me? I say, because sometimes you have even some family want to come bring you down to you, then they want to see a success in the people. But you see me tell you this in our life, love yourself first. You hear? Love yourself first. Remember me tell you that. And you will make it. Love yourself first. Put yourself first. You see me I say? Yeah man. Me have put yourself first. So that me have to tell the people. Yeah, so we are good on power look road and know the people. The boy they build a blood clot boat there over there so long people. You see that boat there? Our man Billy, you know. I watch the man Billy fucking boat, but like the boy I try to sell the boat and the boat now blood clot sell. See boat the people. You don't know how fishing, watch the people, some blood clot people are coming us with them bike, they watch the pussy all them. Watch them. The white people, them not ride them fucking bike on the blood clot road now. And can't go lick them now, you're going to get soon. They can't ride bike, you know, watch them. They don't even know where the fuck where they go. I see them ask me a question, God. I answer them still. They don't even know where they go. I blow them people and heal them up. Make them feel good. Let them feel good. Yeah man, I see you make you look a pussy and they feel good towards them. So you do them people. People say more Jamaica them blood clot van there, we take them and fix them up in the people. Could they? Man, they have a blood clot sitting in the spark up and fling down. Boy, I'm telling you, man, them are serious. They're serious people. In reality, we are dealing with that people, could they? Big blood clot also. So. Yeah! So I look at house now, people. So I look at house now. Remember me also, I tell you now, I look at place also. See that? Right, them a day. I park up, I see people. Them building abandoned long time because them boy they are prison. You see me? Them boy they are prison. See there? Look how you look. Just park up now, move my people. Yeah, so people we coming back to now. Live again. Big up on yourself, subscribe and just watch that one and enjoy it and like and share. And New Link Production. Because you know same time reach me look how some do. Put the video on STOP. Love on my people, big up on yourself. I'm so bad. A New Link production. Weedian TV, big up yourself, brother. Gaza, big up yourself. You don't know the thing going on yet. My NYSCSG there, 19 there, the name there, kind of long, so big up yourself, brother. Always a comment a good thing them for my video. Big up yourself. Oh, all of my subscribers them we don't know the thing go. Big up on yourself. I enjoy that one, man, and comment on it, please. Cause me not let me see comment people, I feel more happy. Big up on yourself, New Link production. I'm so bad.